Hi, welcome to PS Golf TV from Plain Simple Golf. I'm Pete Buchanan, the founder and director of instruction for Plain Simple Golf, and we're here today at the studio for Dr. Jeremy Maxwell and Dr. Maxwell Golf, which is DrMaxwellGolf.com. You can go find out more details about it. Well, we're here today to talk to Dr. Maxwell and find out from him exactly what Dr. Maxwell Golf is all about. So we really appreciate you being here, Doc.
You bet. Thanks for having me. Welcome to the studio.
Yeah.
Dr. Maxwell Golf is a combination of our unique chiropractic technique called the upper cervical Blair procedure, and we combine that with all of our TPI training that I've been certified as a medical professional. So when we bring the two together, it allows us to just create, what I see as the ultimate golfer. They're functionally at their best. We're able to rehabilitate maybe old injuries that have never been fixed before, and just give them a body that's presentable, to a golf instructor, so they can get out there and do what they're trying to do, playing golf. So.
And is there more from Dr. Maxwell Golf along with just the medical side? What other things are they going to be doing that helps them from a golf side?
Yeah, from a golf side, we can take them through an arrangement of different screenings so we can evaluate their function. But once we've kind of fixed those, we like to get them in working on the K trainer and the K vest, just working with their proper body movements, proper body mechanics, just making sure that we're not going to see anything that could be detrimental to the swing. That's my perspective as a medical professional is I have to keep the golfer healthy. So if we see anything that's going to be creating those issues, we want to try to eliminate that and make sure we're communicating with golf instructors to say, hey, we've seen some things in your golfer that could be potentially injurious to the spine, to their back, whatever the case. So that's a very high priority for me is, what steps is each golfer taking to prevent that? And to me, it starts with the chiropractic part. And to take it another step further, we've got to be focusing on the upper cervical, because that area is connecting your brain to your body. And if you don't invest in that, you're really not going to get where you want to be when it comes to golf, and that's lowering your scores, playing with less pain, and getting out as often as you can.
Well, so that truly is the benefit of going through all of this for the
Correct.
golfers, is they're going to be pain-free. They're going to be able to play more golf,
Yep.
which I'm sure the golf club would love that, because they're going to be out there more, all the
Exactly.
golf pros with all their players. They're going to be able to lower their scores. And I think when you're talking about the brain-body connection, there's probably mentally a lot of things they want to do, but physically they can't do them.
Correct.
So there's a block there that's not, they may think it's a mental issue when it really isn't. It's a physical issue,
Yep.
and they can't get those two to go together.
Yeah, and we're all about, bringing in all the professionals, whether it's a mental coach, a teaching instructor for golf, the physical part of, the medical history, making sure the body's healthy, but it all has to start really with the physical. If it's not right, then you can't mentally maximize your game. You can't mentally or physically maximize the teaching instruction, because the patient or the client can't get where you want them to be. So it really brings the three together in a beautiful way. And more importantly, the individual has more fun, and they're just overall healthier. So.
Well, even an added benefit, then that would be more of a benefit for the golf professional, because then he can use the tools that you have based on the way he wants to teach to get them into the proper positionings they need to. Once they're medically clear on your side, he can then come in and use the tools that you have to enhance his own teaching program.
Correct. Yep. Yeah, it works great together. And we have an array of different packages that work for your financial budget and your time. We've got amateurs that just want to get out on the weekends but stay healthy. We have packages designed for that, and we have packages designed for amateurs maybe looking to go to the next level. So you can check us out at DrMaxwellGolf.com, and all of that's laid out there for you.
Well, there we are, Dr. Maxwell Golf, a great program. I've benefited from it myself. I've been through it, and so I wanted to talk to Dr. Maxwell today to bring it to you all and let you know that there is a program out there that can really benefit your golf game, lower your scores, and most of all, get you pain-free. So, you don't need 3 days of a nap after 18 holes. So we want to get you out there playing more golf, more fun with golf, and be injury-free as you do it. So thanks again, Doc. We really appreciate you being here.
Thanks for having me.
All right. See you next time.